I guide you to find Instagram live videos. So let's open Instagram. Here in the story bar where you can see all the stories, the live videos, if they are currently living, they will be appear here and you can scroll to find that live videos. Or otherwise, if you need to find some live content, you can go to search and search for live. Here you can search for live video and there it will show you some of the live video content which you can watch. Or otherwise, if you have done a live video and if you need to watch that, you can go to your profile, tap on three lines there. You can scroll to archives. There you can see live archive. By default, it will show you stories archive. If you need to find live archive, you can tap on that little icon and you can find live archive. Yet I have not done any of live archives, so this will not show notify me here. If you have done any of live videos, it will be shown here. This is how you can find them. Thank you.